Finally, the Temu minimalistic travel bag has arrived. So in this video, we're gonna do the unboxing of this bag. We're gonna see what kind of compartment you get in this bag. This bag also have USB charging features for your smartphone and lots of compartments. So watch the video till the end if you wanna see what exactly this bag has got. If you are new to my channel, consider subscribing it and don't forget to press the notification icon. So I got this bag for roughly around 20 euros from the Temu website, and this is the color that I got. If you are looking for another color, you might have to pay maybe more price. This was the cheapest one available for me. If you would have gone for, let's say, black or blue, that was slightly more expensive compared to this one. So let's do a quick unboxing of this and see what exactly this bag has got. So here we go. This is how it looks, and in terms of the quality, it feels really good. The material looks quite nice, actually, quite durable, and it is also waterproof. If I tell you about the delivery time of this item, actually it took almost 1 month to come over here in Sweden. But if your delivery is delayed than the expected date, you're gonna get roughly around 5 euros in your Temu credits, which you can later on use to buy some more items. So let's have a quick look at this one. So in the front, you have one compartment over here, and all the material inside it is waterproof. So that's really good. So you can definitely use this in the rain. One compartment over here, and these zippers are also pretty good. You also have some buckles over here. So if you open this, it will become slightly bigger. And the USB port is over here if you want to charge your smartphone on the go. And this is the most interesting part about this bag. So you have a compartment over there at the bottom where you can put your shoes if you have some dirty shoes, or if you want to carry some spare shoes, or you can also put your dirty clothes over here. Really nice, cool. And this bag is actually very nice and compact, so you can carry it in any of the airlines, let's say Wizz Air or Ryanair. You will never have any trouble with this. At the back, you have this nice straps to hang it. And one more interesting thing that you see over here is this compartment over here. That is like sort of hidden. So you can put your passport or wallet over here so that it is safe from pickpockets. Really very smart idea. So you also have one more compartment over here. So here maybe you can put your laptop or notebook or maybe your tablet. Over here you can see the USB cable. So the thing is that this bag does not have a power bank, but you can put your power bank over here, connect it to this cable, and then if you want to charge your phone, you can do that through this USB-C output. So that is a really smart idea. So you do not have to open your bag to fetch your power bank. You can just charge it from here. And you also have one more compartment over here. So this is like the main compartment of the bag where you can put your clothes and stuff. You can see it's quite deep. So definitely if you are traveling for a 1 week or 2 week, it can fit all your clothes. If you use some kind of a vacuum bag, you can vacuum bag your clothes and then put inside this. And inside over here also you have a lot of zippers where you can put maybe your wallet, maybe your house key, maybe some cards or some charging cables, power bank, and those kind of stuff. Let's see what more this bag has got. So this bag has also got one more compartment over here at the back. You can see over here. So this one I think would be really useful if you want to put your laptop, because there is really good padding on this side and also on the other side, so your laptop would be much more protected in this compartment. Let's look at the sides. So on the sides you have got this pocket. Over here you can put some small water bottle. And let's look at the other side. Okay, so on this side you do not have that bottle holder. Overall you can see how many compartments this bag has got compared to some other backpacks, and for the kind of price you pay for this, I think it's a really good deal and definitely you can go for that. Overall, I really like this bag and I can totally recommend this to you. I'm gonna put the buy link to this bag over here in the description and you can check it out on the website. If you like the video, please share it so that it reaches out to more people who are looking for such smart bags. And if you like my content, please subscribe to the channel and keep supporting like this.